Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to figure out how to make money with myEcon, whether you're already a member or not. And it's okay if you are and you don't know exactly how to make money on it. There isn't a whole lot of videos in the training list that will talk about the things that I'm going to talk about with you in this video. So stick around to the end of this video. If you're part of myEcon already, it's going to be very beneficial to you because you will know how to make money without recruiting a single person. If you're not part of myEcon and you're just looking into joining, stick around to the end of this video because it's very important that you understand you can make money without recruiting a single person. That's how myEcon is not one of those nasty pyramid schemes that everybody talks about, right? Because they have actual products that will benefit the end user. And I'm going to talk about those products in this playlist. Watch it all the way through, especially this video, and you'll understand. But let's get into how you can make money with myEcon without recruiting a single person. Check it out. All right, guys, so if you've seen the videos out there, you're not part of myEcon and you're looking into myEcon and how to make money with it, one of the things that you're going to see a lot of is a lot of videos out there that are going to show you how to make money, passive income as an affiliate with myEcon. And you do that by marketing the business. All right, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money without marketing the business, without posting videos or even having a social media account. You can still make a lot of money, a lot more money in your pocket than what you have right now just by being a member of myEcon. So that is the products, man. I'm telling you, there are not a lot of videos out there about the products. These products are so underrated because nobody talks about them. That's why I wanted to make this playlist. And this is the first video. I'm going to break it into different videos into a playlist because if not, it's going to be like an hour-long video. And I don't really like hour-long videos. I just don't have the time to, I don't want to take the time to edit them because, I mean, I have to do a lot of edits. I screw up a lot. But I'm going to break it down into individual videos. And in this first one, I want to go over this Correct Your W4. Okay, this is one of the flagship products that myEcon has to offer, and these are all of them right here. But one of the flagship products, and I know you've seen videos out there if you're looking into myEcon about the income shifting opportunity. Okay, and this is exactly what it is. Now, I want to go over exactly what this is because there's a lot of misunderstanding out there about this product. Correct Your W4 form. Put more money in your pocket. Okay, a lot of people think, oh yeah, good luck at the end of the year when you do your taxes. This product is not telling you to not pay taxes from your paycheck. All right. What it's telling you is if you have a full-time job, when you started that job and you filled out all your new hire paperwork, odds are you filled out your W4 form correctly. All right. Now, if you understand a W4 form in taxes, skip through this next part. But if you don't, I'm going to go over as layman as I can exactly how the W4 form works with your taxes. So at the end of the year, everybody in America owes taxes. You have to pay taxes to live here. I mean, it's the land of the free, but it's not free, right? So you have to pay taxes. And at the end of the year, everybody has what is called a tax burden, okay? That is how much money you owe for living in America and being able to be part of America, I guess. I don't agree with it, but that's how it is. I mean, you have to pay taxes to live here and you have to pay taxes to be part of the American people. So, your tax burden, that's how much you owe for being in America, okay? Now, when you start a job and you fill out your new hire paperwork, you fill out what is called a W-4 form. And more than likely, when you started, you asked the person that hired you, how do I fill this out? And they said, well, if you want more money in your paychecks, you're gonna put a 1 there. If you want more money at the end of the year, you're gonna put a 0 there. So you're like, well, I want more money at the end of the year. I want that big tax return. So you put a 0 there, right? Now, you look at your paycheck every week and you see a whole bunch of taxes being withheld, hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single week, right? Or every other week or however often you get paid. That's because you filled out that W-4 form incorrectly. You need to fill that form out correctly because otherwise what you're doing is you're giving the government an interest-free loan, all right? And I know this is where a lot of people are going to say, well, an interest-free loan, that's not a lot of money in interest. Yeah, okay, well, if you have any single penny extra that you want to give to the U.S. government, good for you. Me, I don't want to give them an extra penny more than I have to, right? So fill this out correctly and stop overpaying in taxes. When I had a full-time job and I did this, I was able to put an extra $150 every single week back into my paycheck instead of giving it to the government, right? So if you get that big 5-figure, $10,000 plus tax refund at the end of the year when you do your tax return, you've given them way too much money and all they're doing is giving it back to you, okay? They made money off of that. They made interest off of that all throughout the year. You don't get anything that they made off of your money. All you do is you get the money back that you overpaid. They just give it back to you. Oh, here you go. Now, the IRS themselves have said most people overpay in taxes from their paycheck. That's why this product is IRS approved, right? So What this is going to do whenever you watch this video. This is the introduction video. It's just a couple of 1 minute long introduction video. I'll tell you what. Let's watch it.
Welcome to our training on the importance of correcting your W-4 form. In this training, we'll explain why filling out your Form W-4 correctly is crucial to avoid overpaying in taxes and getting a large refund from the IRS. According to IRS data, nearly 75% of taxpayers receive a refund, with an average refund amount of around $2,800. But did you know that getting a refund is actually an overpayment of taxes that could have been used to pay off debt or invest in a retirement account? By overpaying in taxes, you're essentially giving the government an interest-free loan. Paying off debt can help you save on interest charges, and investing that money can help you grow your wealth over time. That's why it's crucial to fill out your Form W-4 accurately, to ensure that the correct amount of taxes is taken out of your paycheck. If you have multiple jobs, dependents, or a spouse who also works, you'll need to adjust your withholding to avoid overpaying in taxes. By completing this part of the training, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to fill out your Form W-4 accurately and avoid overpaying in taxes. Review the Form W-4 training below and make any necessary adjustments to your Form W-4.
Okay, so like I was saying, 75% of Americans overpay in taxes, right? So this is what's going to correct that overpayment. This is not going to show you to not pay taxes. This is going to show you how to make it so at the end of the year, when you do your taxes, you haven't overpaid the government. Instead, you put it back in your paycheck, right? And it's this video right here. This is a 20-minute long video that's going to show you exactly how to do this, all right? It's going to explain everything. Now, here's something that I want you to understand. As a member of myEcon, I told you at the end of this video, you're going to know exactly why you can make money without recruiting a single person. And this is how this product is going to show you how to do this if you have a job, okay? So when you become a member of myEcon, you become a small business owner because you have access to myEcon's affiliate program. As a member, you don't pay anything extra for the access to the affiliate program. So once you fill out the W-9 form with that and everything else, we go over everything, all this training is in there. But once you fill that out, you become registered as a home business. You use your home as an office for your business. So there's a big tax credit you can claim just for being a member of myEcon. Even if you don't make any money with that business, even if you don't recruit a single person, it is all about intent and record keeping. And we show you in some of the other products that you have access to without paying anything extra, we show you exactly how to do it, how to make it so you get to take advantage of all of those tax credits, all right? And you are going to, if you're going to keep your job, you can correct your W-4 form to make it so they withhold even less and you still don't overpay, so you don't underpay, so you don't owe anything at the end of the year either. So this product is a very, very crucial product. If you are a member of myEcon, whether you're taking advantage of the affiliate program or not, you must watch this video. You have to do this and take advantage of this. And if you do, you're going to make money without recruiting a single person. Even if you don't have a full-time job, you still need to watch these products. You need to watch these videos because they're going to explain to you how you can take advantage of being a home business owner and taking advantage of all of those tax credits. Very important product that you watch, very important product that you use. Again, when I used it when I had a full-time job, I put an extra $150 a week back into my paycheck. That more than paid for the monthly membership or being a member of myEcon for the entire year. I mean, it's up to you. I'm telling you, if you use these products, especially this one, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to have a lot of extra money in your paycheck, in your pocket, in your bank account than you did before. So I hope you got value from this video. Watch some of the other ones. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that like button, do all that for me. And I'll see you in the next one.